Yo, View Nation, you're looking for something to clean up small messes, crumbs, and stuff like that around the house or in the car seat, then you want to stay tuned and check out this video on this little small vacuum cleaner, alright? Alright. Yo, Skippy, let's get it! Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Cruising Views, back to get another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, View Nation, this is your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little different, some home tech, you know what I'm saying? Some home tech on a vacuum cleaner. But let's get a couple things out of the way. One, I'm not an expert. Two, I'm just a guy who loves taking gadgets. And three, I just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel. Alright? Alright, I'm not an expert. So spec junkies, don't beat me up in the comment section, alright? Alright, just regular everyday person. Right down there, hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Alright, let's get back to business. Yep. Today we're going to be taking a look at a little small hand vac from a company called, I think it's VICSONIC. It's the H2 cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. Alright. You know, I think this wanted to be the first vacuum cleaner I actually did on the channel. But like I say, you know, I'm scouring through the interwebs, looking at new stuff like that. So this will come in handy, like, you know, cleaning off the desk or what have you, or, you know, little crumbs here and there. So I said, let me go ahead and check this out. I've been seeing them a while, whatever. I seen like the Briggy got one or whatever. I said, let me check this one out because it was, you know, it was a good deal. You know, it wasn't expensive. So I said, you know, let me go ahead and check it out. But I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below where you can go ahead and find out more about the product and pricing and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'll let you take a look at the box. All right. Right here, I think we have the gray one or black one because they have come in white, black, and blue. They say, now we are friends. So I guess we're friends now. So now that we done got the product, huh? Let's see here. On the box, you can kind of, I don't know if you're getting that. My light is too bright. You can pause this to read it for yourself. But basically, it's saying new generation of smart vacuum cleaner. Only weighs 500 grams, lightweight, LED screen, 2 different levels. So I guess that'd be a high and a low. And up to 13 kPa suction. I don't know what that means, but I'm guessing it's strong suction. Type C charger. Okay. Stand base, so you can have it looking nice and neat. And let's see, 13. It says no, 130. Yeah, 130 RPM BLDC motor. All right. Don't know what BLDC stands for, but it is what it is. And then it looks like it has like a little hook, so you can hook it somewhere, a 3-in-1. So it comes with several attachments. Let's see in the back of the box. All right. So this is what you look like you're gonna get in the box. You're gonna get this, the container that holds the all the dirt. You get, look like you have 2 filters. Let me see what it says. It says dust cup to prevent dust from flowing back, back valve, prevent dust and dust particles from falling out of the dust cup. And then you have a stainless steel filter. You see that? A stainless steel filter can filter hair and gravel and snacks. And then you got the HEPA filter. So it comes with a HEPA filter. The HEPA filter filters dust, soot, flour, and other tiny dust belonging to 0.2 ppms, and the filtering effect is greater than 99.9%. So it's supposed to be real good at filtering the air out, especially if you got allergies. Sealing ring to prevent air from leaking and speed up the filtration of fine dust. Alright? Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. Skippy, hold tight. I'm not going to the unboxing table today, Skippy. Alright? Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box and see what we can get here. Alright. See here. Alright, what does this say? From the beginning, we want to tell customers to choose a suitable vacuum cleaner. We upgrade in terms of price, configuration, appearance, design, etc. We insist on customer centricity in every small aspect. We want to tell our customers that you are our good friend and I want to give you the most suitable product, CLHVIEWS. So I don't know if you're seeing this right here. You can pause this and read it for yourself. I know my light just ain't working today. Alright, get that out of the way. In fact, I'm not going to need that. Pull this out of the box. See what this is. Okay, this is like the vacuum itself. Let me put that to the side. Let's see what this is. Okay, this looks like this looks like the stand they was talking about. So you got a little stand, cool little stand. Let's see here. Got a nice little filter. I'll take this filter out of the bag. So we're gonna have to put that on. That HEPA filter. And in the bag, let's see what we got in the bag. Looks like we got some another attachment on here, and you got the charger cord. And I don't see a charging brick in here anywhere, so I guess you got to have your own charging brick. And that's starting to be a trend with these products. A lot of products now, for some reason, they're not coming with charging bricks. I guess they figure, you know, everybody got enough charging bricks, so they're good to go. You know, that might not be the case for everybody. It might be somebody just starting out and never had, you know, smart products, and bam. All right. So this is the USB-C charging slot. I mean, not charging slot. I'm thinking about something else. USB-C charger. USB-A. All right. It comes with a little cleaning brush. I don't know if you can see in that little cleaning brush. And you got your instruction booklet. And with something like this, I would hold on to it just, you know, for safekeeping. So let me get this out of the way. See what we got here. The main star of the show. I don't need that on here. How you get this out of here? All right. All right. Man, this looks pretty cool. Looks like a nice premium, you know, stylish product. As you can see right here, they got a sticker on here trying to tell you, you know, how to put it together. And everything is some more instructions. You can pause that and read it for yourself. Let's see, you got your little minimum branding. You got a little protective film over the LCD screen. Let's peel that off. All right. And I'm guessing, okay, that's the power button. Wow. Power button. All right. Check out the filter. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy together real quick. See how easy it is to put together. So, let's see here. Okay, you twist to turn. All right, twist to turn. And this, okay, that's a cool thing. Uh-oh, I'm dropping the product. Maybe I'll just go ahead and sit it in the, well, I can't sit in there yet. But, little foldable brush right here. That's pretty cool. All right. Let's go ahead and put this filter in. So I'm guessing, okay, that comes off real easy. Look at that, comes off real. You got the little rings around here. All right, so I'm guessing. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, so that's the extra filter. So there's already a filter in here. Okay, good looking, good looking. Okay. Man, I didn't know it was a filter, so it comes with a spare filter. Man, that's cool. That's cool. Right, so let me go ahead and put this back together. So I didn't know it was a filter in there, so put this back, easy to put together. And I say, as soon as I say easy to put together, I'm kidding. It's not cooperating with me. Let me find the lines. All right. As you can see, they have some little locking pictures right here that's trying to show you it. Show you locking and all that good stuff, and show you the max feel right here. So, and I guess there's a little venting right here. All right, let's turn this bad boy on. Check out the LCD screen. I don't know if you're getting that on the camera. The LCD screen. That's high. That's off. Low. High. I'm putting a lot of air right here too. Get a lot of air. See how it's blowing this out? Okay. So on the screen, it shows you how many minutes that you had it running, or no, it shows you how many minutes you have for the run. So I guess on a full charge, about 20 minutes. And I'm gonna have to read some more in the instructions and do some more testing on it. So let me go ahead and get something to put down here on the desk so you can test the suction power. All right, hold tight. Alright, got a little bag of rice right here, and I already got it all set up. This is how it's going to look when you got it sitting up on your, wherever you want to sit it, on the counter or desk or whatever. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Too cool, too cool. Let's see if you go turn around that way. Okay, you can sit it either way, but I think I'm going to prefer to sit it like that so you can see the LCD screen. Let's put it to the side. I'm going to put a little bit of rice down here, and we're going to see how much it picks up. Let's sprinkle a little of this rice down here. Alright, I don't want to get it all over the place. Let me put this rice to the side. Let me see if I can give you guys a close-up real quick. Okay, let's go ahead and test out this vacuum and see how good it does with cleaning up these little rice. Alright, click it on. That's on low. We got some suction power. I'm gonna change it to high. Look at that. I'm not even really sucking it. Man, this got some suction. Look at the little brush. Wow. It's picking up the mat. Look at that. It's so strong, it's picking up the mat. This thing got some suction power. Wow. Okay. Let me stop before I go crazy. Man, this is pretty good. This got some good suction. This is my like I said, this is my first little hand vac like this. I have an old Ryobi one that goes with like the big Ryobi batteries or whatever, but I never had a little small one like this. Man, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So if you got like crumbs and stuff like that, look at all that. Look at that. If you got crumbs and stuff like that, in your car, this is gonna get it. This is gonna get it. Or in your couches, after you have movie night and got little popcorn crumbs or whatever, cookie crumbs. You need one of these right here. That's pretty cool. Look at all that it collected. My camera will on focus. Man, collected a lot. Let's take that off. Yeah, look at all that. Man, I must say it did its job. It did its job. So this is pretty cool. Okay, this thing, I'm telling you, this thing has a lot of suction power. But I was looking in the directions in the instruction booklet where it says something about when you're charging it up, it'll go into once the battery is fully charged, it'll go into power save mode. Let's bring this over here. It go into power save mode, and I guess that's to protect the screen or whatever. And the display screen will go off, but the blue light right here will stay on. So it, I guess you let you know when it's good to go. Let's see what else is in here. It doesn't say much about charging time in here, unless I just skipped over it. No, I don't see anything about charging time on here. You can see don't know if you can see this right here. This is a little instruction booklet right here. You can pause this and read it for yourself. Let me see. I'm trying to find out, does it have a charging time? I know that's a question the spec junkies are going to want to know. Let's see here. Nope. Don't see anything about charging time in here. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to go ahead and test that on my own because I don't see anything in here about how long it takes to charge this thing up. But I think on initial first charge, it gives you like 20 minutes. Because I noticed when I looked at the LCD screen, it had a countdown. It was counting down to 0. And it was started out at 20. So at 20 minutes, it gives you 20 minutes to do what you got to do. So that's be more than enough to clean up little small messes around the house or vacuuming out your car. 20 minutes is enough. If you need more than 20 minutes, well, you need to go ahead and get a water hose and everything and clean everything up. You know what I'm saying? But look, man, I think, you know, overall, I think this is a neat little product. You know, like I said, you want to stay neat and tidy around the house, or like I said, clean up the car. Look like I got a little rice right here. Let me get it. Got me a new toy. But anyway, if you need something that, to keep everything nice and neat or whatever, vacuum little stuff like that, this would be a good little pickup. Not too expensive, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you can get more information on it. But not too expensive. Plus, it comes with an extra filter, extra HEPA filter. That's cool. That's cool. But it doesn't come with a charging block. So, you're gonna have to get your own charging block. That's the only con I can see in this bad boy is it doesn't come with a charging block. Like everybody, I think most of us probably have charging blocks, a bunch of them laying around the house. But then you have that, them few people that don't have extra ones. Now they got to go and order or buy a new charging block. But anyway, let me stop ranting. But other than that, I think it's a good buy. It's a good product. Strong suction. What else could you ask for? All right. But like I said, I'm not no expert. I'm just a regular everyday person. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know all the technical stuff like for the spec junkies. But if you want to know more technical specs and pricing, I believe a link down in the description box below when you get more information, detailed information. All right. Just a regular everyday consumer. All right. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. We notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend. Subscribe. And I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out this video. And even the people that didn't subscribe, I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. All right. Let's see here. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see. The message for the day is, with the holidays coming on right now and everybody's out shopping, be aware of your surroundings. Stay vigilant. Out here shopping and not paying attention to what you're doing, walking back and forth to the car, stay vigilant. Pay attention to your surroundings, all right? That's the message of the day. This is being main man Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.